Hi guys, my name is klebe and welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and haven't seen me, haven't seen my face, haven't seen my content, hit that subscribe button down below and turn on my bell for notifications because I upload twice a week on both Tuesdays and Fridays. Hi, how are ya? We're doing a Jeffree Star video, so really excited. Oh my god, I'm jumping from topic to topic. Hello. This intro is a mess. But anyways, follow all my social medias in the description below. And yeah, we're just gonna get right into the video. Oh yeah, don't forget to give this big video a big fat thumbs up and comment down below and tell me your thoughts and your opinions. So I got the two Valentine's Day Jeffree mystery boxes from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and we're gonna open them, see what's inside, see what's a tea, and see what we got. So are y'all ready? So this is the first mystery box. It's very small, very tiny, but it's cute. So hi, how are ya? So we're gonna open it. We're gonna do that. So you can't see my address, girl. I ain't trying to get stalked. So it comes like this in some cute pink tissue paper, and it looks like that. This is a pop socket. Open it. And it is red and has the Jeffree Star logo. I think this is sick. My phone case is red, and I'm so excited to use this. So excited. And then we got a liquid lipstick from his most recent holiday collection in the shade Jeffree Who. Let's open it up and give her a swatch. So I already have this shade. Spares are great, you know? You can never have too many pairs of one lipstick. So a clean hand and swatch. Okay, I skipped over. Wow, I love my swatching. That is Jeffree Who. It's a gorgeous pink cranberry shade, and honestly it's really pretty. Love that. Okay, the next we have another liquid lipstick from his most recent holiday collection as well, called Scandal. And let's open her up, and looks like that. Give her another clean swatcheroo, and she looks like that. Honestly, I love this color. I wore it fairly recently and I really like it. And then we have a Skin Frost, which is in the shade Mint Condition, which I wanted this shade for such a long time. Okay, I'm obsessed with this shade. I might have opened this yesterday, and I'm wearing Mint Condition right now on the cheeks. Look how blinding that is. Y'all can't say Jeffree did that. So I wanted this shade for such a long time. I opened it yesterday. I opened this yesterday because I just couldn't hold back, but look how gorgeous that is. Are you joking? I'm obsessed. Oh, I just wish it smelled like mint. If it smelled like mint, that would be the perfect highlighter. Come on, Jeffree. Seriously, does it smell like mint? I'm kidding, but if it smelled like mint, that'd be dope. Come on, it's called Mint Condition. This is still a bomb highlighter. Y'all see that glow? Y'all can see me from outer space. Damn. And then we got a lip ammo in the shade Popsicle Dream, which honestly I have 3 of his lip ammos from the lipstick collection, and I'm obsessed with his bullet packaging. Come on. Oh yes. And so it comes out of the tube like this, and let's do a good swatch on the back of my hand. That was really creamy. It felt so creamy on the back of my hand. Yes. Now, but we're just gonna have to see how it applies on the lips. The last item out of the tiny mystery box is a liquid lipstick in the shade Diva, which I'm pretty sure that this is from the family collection. I'm not sure. I think it's from the family collection. I honestly have no idea. I think so, because this is a softer pink than its normal pink. So, like, here's the shade Doll Parts, which is the shade that I'm wearing. It's, like, lighter. So, I think this is from the Family Collection. I don't know. But it's kind of, like, glittery. But we're going to do, like, a clean... Ooh! Yes! Okay, Diva work. Okay. Now, the second mystery box is this big gal. And, let's get into it. So, it looks like this. Comes in some tissue paper. Now let's get crack-a-lackin'. So, the first thing is another Skin Frost, which is in the shade Regina George. And this is another shade that I've been wanting for a really long time. In mint condition and Regina George are shades that I've been wanting for, like, literally ever. So I got them, like, super pumped, so in love. Like, yes, Jeffree, yes, you're doing that, you're snapping, like, go off. Now let's open her up. So this is a shade of Regina George. I'm obsessed. I'm gagging. Like, what? Like, this is so pretty. Now let's do, like, a good... So this is it on the finger. Let's see how it is on the skin. Okay, so it's very, like, sheer on the skin, but maybe it wears better. Let's put some on. Okay, so, like, let's put some on. Do something. Put some on my nose. Oh, okay. Now she's coming out to say hi. We're even more blinding. Oh, yes. But I'm obsessed. I'm so obsessed. Also got a Supreme Frost in the shade Frozen Peach. Let's open her up. But this is our Skin Frost. I'm obsessed with the packaging. It opens kind of easy though, which is good. Because it looks like that. And this is, no, I just did Regina George on that hand. This is the Supreme Frost. Now let's wash it right there. Okay, you can kind of see it. I honestly don't think that swatch did it justice, but I know this is gonna be blinding because I know Jeffree would not sell something not blinding. Now we have a liquid lipstick in the shade Doll Parts, and I finally get a full size because this shade is gorgeous. And I'm wearing doll parts on my lips, so we're not gonna bother to swatch it. So this is the shade of Doll Parts. I love this color. I think it's really pretty. Yeah. Now we have another lip ammo in the shade Gargoyle. So I'm obsessed with this pink glitter. Jeffree did that. Ooh, gray. Oh, yes, I'm excited. Okay, so. Alright, kind of sheer. This is the first swatch. Kind of sheer. Let's put some over it. There it goes. There's its full potential. So that's what it looks like, full potential. Yeah, I'm obsessed. I don't have a gray. I have a metallic silver, but I don't have a gray. So I'm super pumped. Now we have a liquid lipstick from, I think, the Love Stick collection in the shade Self Control. I can't get over this red packaging. Like, love. I have the shade as well. Like, I already own this. But this shade is gorgeous. I love, like, a good lilac moment. Let's give it, like, a good swatcheroo. So this is the shade of Self Control. I think it's gorgeous. I love this purple shade. I've worn it a few times, and honestly, like, I'm not just... disappointed. I think it's gorgeous. Now I have another liquid lipstick in the shade Crocodile Tears. So I do not already have this. I thought I did, but I actually have the shade Equality. So let's give her a good swatch. Wow, this was one swipe. Okay, Jeffree. Who did that, girl? So I'm like shook. Don't have this dark green yet, and I can't wait to start using it. And now the last thing makeup wise is a lip liner from him in the shade Dominatrix. Dominatrix. Ooh, this part's super cute. Okay. So now let's do like just like one line. Ooh, that came out nice. I'm excited. Okay, so it's like a good like dark brown liner. Awesome. Love it. I honestly, like, I don't really line my lips, but he said these are eye safe. So y'all know I'm gonna do some crazy, like something crazy up here. It appears that we got a t-shirt. So y'all want to see what's inside? I'm gonna put on the t-shirt so y'all can see what it looks like. Like, I swatched these. Like, I'm gonna show y'all how the t-shirt looks. So this t-shirt actually pretty big. I got a medium. It says can't relate. It has like a hands. I wanted a can't relate tee so bad, and I'm like so happy I got this. It has a little logo on the back, but like I'm so in love with this. I wanted like a can't relate tee so bad. I think this is like a limited like Valentine's Day edition. A Jeffree snapped. I honestly don't have much maroon, so I'm like glad it's maroon so I can expand my color palette because all I wear is black. I'm not trying to sound relatable, but literally all I wear is black. So I'm gonna go wipe these swatches out of my hand. I'm gonna try this on and then I'll be right back. Put on the t-shirt. I don't know what that is, but like it fits perfectly. So this is it. It says can't relate. Looks like that. Has like the hands. This is probably the most awkward video that I've like ever filmed. Hi, how are ya? This looks white, but like it's actually pink. Does it change colors? No, it doesn't. I'm just stupid. That's the shirt. Hope y'all enjoyed. Oh yeah, this fits absolutely perfectly. This is like comfy. Sleeves are good length. They're like not too short. I hate like short, like tight sleeves here. Like, girl, no, I want like a loose, long sleeve. But yeah, that's it. That was in the mystery boxes. I'm in love with absolutely everything that I got. I'm so pumped to like try it all, you know, wear like a green lipstick, like super duper pumped. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you guys have a good day, night, wherever you are. But yeah, I just want you to know that I love you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing and supporting me. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe down below. And yeah, I post videos every single Tuesday and Friday now. So this is my Friday upload. So second video of doing this. Just want y'all to know I'm feeling good. I'm feeling happy. And I feel like I'm on top of the world. If y'all wanted to know. But yeah, I hope you guys have a good night. And I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on my bell for notifications. And follow my social medias in the description below. Bye. Love you guys. Mwah.